A customer safety deposit box is opened by the bank due to unpaid rental fees. A notary public is present and certifies the inventory of the contents. The notary completes the certificate listing all items found in the box. What is the next step the notary must take to comply with New York State law? Well, let's have a look at the banking law section 335 found in the Notary Public license law booklet to determine what the next step is for the notary public. So we can jump to the middle here of the paragraph where it states the notary public shall then file with the lessor a certificate under seal which states the date of the opening of the safe deposit box, the name of the lessee, and a list of the contents. So this is where the question picks up from because it wants us to know what the next step is, and that's right over here where it says within 10 days of the opening of the safe deposit box, a copy of the certificate must be mailed to the lessee at his last known postal address. So with this in mind, let's have a look at our 4 choices to determine the solution. Choice A states the notary must send a copy of the certificate to the bank within 24 hours. In fact, the notary is sending a copy of the certificate to the lessee, which is the customer, not to the bank, and therefore choice A is not the correct solution. Choice B states the notary must inspect the items for authenticity and file a report. In fact, the notary has no such obligation. The notary's obligation is to be there for the opening of the box and to prepare an inventory and file the certificate, etc. But getting into authenticity and whatnot is not part of the notary's obligation, and therefore choice B is not the correct solution. Choice C states the notary must send the certified inventory list to the lessee, customer, within 10 days. This is another way of saying the certificate when it states certified inventory list, and this aligns with the law that we read from before, but let's have a quick look at choice D to be sure. Choice D states the notary must store the contents securely until the lessee claims them. This is not an obligation of the notary public at all, and therefore choice D is not the correct solution, which indeed leaves choice C. The notary must send the certified inventory list to the lessee, customer, within 10 days as the correct solution.